Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize battery display style on status bar in Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to settings. Next in settings we're looking for notifications and quick settings menu. Next we have status bar at the top, and now we're looking for the battery style. So we have three options. We can have a horizontal battery, we can see at the top, vertical, loop, or we can hide our battery icon. Moreover, we can display or hide our battery percentage. So we can have, for example, an icon and battery percentage if we want to, and we can change how it looks. We can have inside battery, outside, and off. And that's it. Bye.